So, summer expeditions aren't always that warm and still.
No, it's another windy day.
So there we've got our beautiful sledges on their skis, ready to go at 1,000,000 miles an hour again. And I think we're heading off in that direction. Or is it that direction? Yeah, that way. Cool, good to go?
Yeah, we were pretty efficient this morning. A lot more efficient.
Awesome. Right, I'll shut the camera down now because my hands are getting cold.